Good day guys, this is MrShaa. I'm back again guys with a very quick one. Guys, I want you guys to check out the BossTrack app. Guys, is out. It's been out for quite some time right now, and now it's actually working very well. A lot of developments are actually taking place, are actually happening right now guys, so I want you guys to go and check it out. Remember, if you go through my YouTube channel, you'll find where I did a full review about Boss token, right? And I also indicated that there's an app that is actually coming, which I strongly believe that it is going to be a very important app in the crypto space. So now that app guys is out, so if you want to check it out, you can simply go to www.bosstrack.com, and then once you get there guys, it will open you a very beautiful app, and then you will be able to just put your address. It can be your BSC address, your Ethereum address. You will have to check out the supported blockchains, and then you just put your address there, and then from there it will be able to show every token that you have in that particular wallet. Now if you look at down this in this wallet, you can see this. It also calculates everything that I have, right? It also calculates everything that I have, all the tokens that I have, and it put down all the value here. So in this wallet is one of the wallet that I just used to buy and sell some few cryptos. Now it's also, you can see that it's also estimating the value of everything that I have in USD and then also in Ethereum. Now also, if I want to come here and change, I can simply go here, come and click here, and then I can be able to change to whatever currency or to whatever cryptocurrency that I want to actually these figures to be displayed at. Now if you look here, if you come and click here, it will be giving you that option, but also you see you can be able to change all those from here. I can even put ZAR if I wanted to put ZAR, because I'm based in South Africa. But now what you need to understand is that once you actually put on in your address, it is going to take out all the cryptocurrencies that you have under that wallet. Now you can open as many or as multiple wallets as you can, and then you can have different wallet that you can actually share, or maybe you can actually view in this beautiful app called the Boss token. Now you can also, if you want to go, you can check here. They also have a premium wallet. One thing that I like about how this app reveals everything or displays everything, you realize that you can be able to see the name of the token, and then also you'll be able to see the price, the balance, and also shows you the 6-hour 24-hour movement of that particular project. And also you can see also profit and loss, and also you can see the market cap of that particular project, and also it also tells you how many tokens you are actually holding. Now you can see there, here I'm still holding these few tokens here, and then also if you come down here, you can see also other tokens that I'm also holding as well, and then also you can go down. These are other tokens that I'm holding, right? That's some few meme tokens that I was holding. Some of them, they are no longer even important. Now if you want to buy Boss token, you can just go and buy it here. Now if you want to add another token, for example, you have to understand that sometimes new tokens, they get time to be listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Now if maybe, for example, you want to be able to view the information about the new token that you just bought, which you don't have more information on, you can simply come here, and then maybe, let's say maybe you bought that particular project, you can simply come and edit here, right? Even if maybe it's not displaying here, you can be able to simply come and add a new token. You put the address, and also if the network or the blockchain is Ethereum, you can just add. And then also if maybe it's not Ethereum, you can simply just come and click this arrow here, and then you choose either it's BSC, it's Chrono, or it's Avalanche or Polygon. You can be able to choose there. And then remember, these are not only the blockchains that we have quite a lot, and then more of them, they will still also be added on this platform. So I believe this platform, guys, it saves a lot of time, so you don't have to be going around maybe to other platforms to check how much your tokens are worth at this particular time. You can simply just come and put your address or your wallet address, and then it will calculate everything for you. So it will be able to tell you how much you have in these particular projects. As you can see here, it tells me the balance that I have in this particular token. So this is the reason why personally I believed that you can actually do quite a lot with this platform. So there's quite a lot of things that are coming that I want you guys to go and check it out. So make sure that guys you check this platform, and then also make sure that guys you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is MrShaa, guys. I'll actually see you on the next one.